Hello everybody, Sandy Brown here, Children and Family Worker at Christ Church United Reformed Church, and this is activity 3 of our Christmas Messy Church in a Bag series. So we're going to make an angel, and I've made one already to show you what it's going to look like. Well, this is mine anyway. So this is my angel. She's beautiful, isn't she? And you can see she has beautiful wings. And I will show you the scale because we made our Mary and Joseph yesterday. So this is Mary, so you can see she towers over Mary. If I put her both on my hand here, you can see how much bigger she is than Mary, which I think is right. I think she needs to be bigger than Mary. So what we're going to do is, what you need, I will show you first. What you need is a paper plate. You need some card, coloured card, or plain card, and some more plain card or paper, and some glue, some felt pens, and I've also got some paper clips which are quite handy, and I'll explain in a minute. And what I've also done is, so that my angel stands up, you won't have this in your pack, I've used a cardboard tube inside so that she can stand up next to Mary when I do my nativity scene. You don't have to do that bit. If she's just going on your top of your Christmas tree, you won't need to do that bit. But I thought I'd quite like her to be able to stand up next to my nativity characters, so that's why I've put a cardboard tube in the middle. So let me show you what we're going to do. So just find a cardboard tube for this one. Yep, here we go, right. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to fold our paper plate over so that you've got, it's going to be slightly bigger at the bottom than the top. This is going to be slightly different than the first one I did because I thought I quite liked this shape this time. So that's what I've done, is I've made a fold here and a fold here. So you've almost got a triangle in the middle. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick my cardboard tube in the middle of that so that she can stand up. If you want to disguise the cardboard tube, if it's the wrong colour, just put some paper around it or paint it or colour it. I'm going to leave mine like that for now. So then you're going to glue the tube inside the paper plate. If you don't want to use a tube, just ignore this bit and just glue your paper plate so that it's folded. So I'm using plenty of glue so that it sticks. And pop that inside. And you want to put the tube so that it hangs down a little bit. A bit more glue. And because it's not going to stay stuck very easily at the moment, you're going to use the paper clip just to hold it against the tube while it sticks. And then you need to put some more glue on this part of the plate, on this part, and then more glue on this part, so that when you stick it over, it all sticks together. Hopefully it does anyway, hopefully. Plenty of glue. It may not stick immediately, which is why I'm using the paper clips to hold it together until the glue dries. Okay, so like that. Okay, and you can put one at the bottom too there, if you think it's going to help. So I've got a paper clip here, one here, and one at the back here. And as you can see, now my angel body will stand up, and that is what this is. This is the angel body. So now what we need is, what else do we need? We need a head. I'll just put that to one side while I make the head. So for the head, I have got a piece of coloured card Mine's slightly purple. I don't know if you can see in this light, but it's purple. But use whatever colour you like, white, pink, whatever. I'm using what I've got. And I'm also using a glass. This actually has water in, so I'm going to be very careful. And I'm going to draw around the glass bottom. Don't put water in yours. There we go. So I've got a circle. If you can see that, there's a circle there. And then I'm going to cut that out, and that is going to be the face of my angel. Here we go. This particular angel is going to be Angel Gabriel. It's a very, very special angel. And I'll explain more about that in a minute. Right, put the extra card to one side. So I've got my circle, and now I'm just going to draw a lovely face on it. I'm going to do 2 lovely eyes. 2 eyes, and nostrils, and eyebrows, and a lovely smile. She's a happy angel because she's got some good news. And then I'm going to actually, with a blue felt pen, I'm going to use to do the eyes. Oh dear, my blue felt pen is wearing out. And then with a red felt pen, I'm going to do the nostrils and the smile. And there she is. So that's the face. And then I'm going to stick that on to the top of my angel. So plenty of glue. Oops. And that goes at the top of my angel there. I'll just take that paper clip out of the way, otherwise it's going to get stuck in the way. Right, glue that on there, and then maybe stick the paper clip back while it's gluing. There we go, so just wait for that to finish getting stuck. Just put another little clip there. Now while that is drying, just put that to one side again, what does she need? She needs some wings. I'm going to make the wings out of our hands. My hands are enormous, so I'm going to have massive wings. So how we're going to do this is we're going to put our hands down on the card and draw around them. You can splay your hands out like that rather than like that. You can have wings like that if you want. Yeah, shall we try like that? Because this one has wings splayed out. Shall we try doing hands? I think I will. Let's give it a go, Sandy. Right. So just splay your thumb out then if you want wings like that. We'll see which we prefer afterwards. It's still going to make a wing shape. So that is one wing shape. I think if you're wondering why I've done the thumbs like that, I will show you in a minute. And then you need to do the other hand. So get somebody to help you if you can only draw around one hand because you're left or right-handed. And then we're going to need to cut those out. So while I'm cutting these out, I will talk to you about Angel Gabriel. So Angel Gabriel was a special angel, one of God's very special angels. It was a he, had a lot of very special jobs to do. And I think the first time we see him in the Bible is a long, long time before Mary and Joseph were even alive. He appeared to Daniel in the Old Testament. Daniel, one of his stories is where he got stuck in a lion pit. Oh, scary! But none of the lions ate him up like lions. You think lions would do when they're in a lion pit. They just went to sleep and left him alone because Daniel prayed to God all the time. He was very good at praying to God, talking to God, and God looked after him and sent his special angel to him. And there's one of my wings. and so Daniel was fine. So that was the first time we see Angel Gabriel, and then he appears not to Mary next, but to Zachariah, and Zachariah was married to Elizabeth, and Elizabeth was Mary's cousin. So he appeared to Zachariah and told him that he was going to have a baby, or Elizabeth was going to have a baby, and their baby was going to be John the Baptist, who we've spoken about recently. And then the angel Gabriel appears to Mary to tell her she's going to have a special baby, and her special baby is going to be, yes, baby Jesus. So, what a busy angel. Although there was 540 years between appearing to Daniel and appearing to Zechariah, so quite a long time, very long time. So anyway, as you can see, this angel was a particularly special angel, and had plenty of work to do, that's for sure, in God's kingdom. So here are my angel wings. Let's see whether we like them like that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to thumbs up, make sure your thumbs are up, stick them to the back like that, with the thumb up the back like that, and then you can see, oh, I do quite like them like that, that we have angel wings. Of course, if you want your wings to go downwards like some angel wings do, you could stick them up the other way. Let's see what we think of that. Which do we prefer? Down wings or up wings? No, I like up wings. So I'm going to stick mine up so that they go upwards. Let's get the glue the right way. So you're going to put some glue along the thumb of your hand, of your cut-out hand, and then stick the thumb up the back, and then the same with the other one. Make sure you get the glue on the right side. So that. There we have it. Okay, so I think we can probably remove the paper clips now. One gone, two gone. Let's hope it doesn't fall apart as I take them off. Okay, and here we have our angel Gabriel, and here is one of Angel Gabriel's friends. We have a whole host of angels now. Well, I'm not sure two actually makes a host of angels, but anyway, we've got two angels. And they do stand up because they have a tube in them. There we go. That's one standing up. And there's the other one. And that's our activity for today. So you can add them to your nativity figures that you made yesterday if you did that. And that's it for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Goodbye.